Hello Immians, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am sharing an at-home Indian Kumkumadi oil recipe. Kumkumadi oil is an ancient herbal oil which Indians actually use to get beautiful glowing skin, and I have got the recipe for you. So if you want to see how I make my own Kumkumadi oil at home, keep on watching. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscription box below so you guys never miss a video from me, and also hit that little bell icon so you guys can get notified every time I do upload. And I'm gonna jump straight into it. So guys, when I was doing my research into beauty products about 2 to 3 years ago, I stumbled upon Kumkumadi face oil. Kumkumadi face oil is quite a popular product in India specifically because Indians use this to get really clear, glowing, fair skin. So I was trying to order this online because I love to review Indian, Pakistani products from different countries and all that. So I was trying to get it sent to me in Australia, and I couldn't because I think it was unavailable for shipping to Australia. And the other thing I noticed was a 30 ml bottle, like a tiny bottle, was about 3 to 4,000 rupees, which is about $30 to $40. So that's quite expensive for a face oil, right? So that got me thinking that why don't I make my own Kumkumadi face oil at home? And I did. I made my own Kumkumadi face oil. I've been using it for a while and the results are amazing, and you guys can make this at home and save a lot of money. The effects are exactly the same as Kumkumadi oil. I've tried to include all the things that Kumkumadi oil has, but I will also tell you the things that I didn't have, which you can include in your oil. So to make this oil, the base is olive oil and sweet almond oil, and these two oils are the base for our at-home face Kumkumadi oil, but you can also add any other oils that you want to include. So the other oils that I included, which is not in the usual recipe, is vitamin C oil and rosehip oil, and that's because I apply that to my skin every night. So I wanted all the products to be in one jar, if that makes sense. I don't like using too many products, so I was like, if I put them all together, then this is good to go. So the way you make this is you warm up the oils. You can warm them up on a pan or you can put them in a microwave, and then we're gonna crush in some cardamom seeds. Cardamom seeds, also known as elaichi, is going to give this an amazing scent. It smells like kulfi, and this also helps calm the skin down. It's really good for redness. We're gonna crush that in, and the other ingredients you need is mulethi. Mulethi is also known as licorice. So I couldn't find licorice anywhere in the Indian stores, so I ordered mine online. So the one I'm using is licorice extract, and licorice extract should work exactly the same. Licorice extract is great to get rid of dark spots and uneven skin tone, so it's not a surprise that you're using licorice extract in here. So the other ingredients that you're gonna need is Tulsi. Tulsi is also known as holy basil, Indian holy basil, and because I couldn't find Tulsi, I actually am using a Tulsi tea. And this Tulsi tea is perfect because it actually has rose powder in it as well. So if you're just going to use Tulsi by itself, you can use rose powder separate. So the other ingredients which I actually didn't include, but natural original Kumkumadi oil includes these, is orange peel powder. But because I already have the vitamin C oil in here, I didn't include that. So orange peel powder and hibiscus powder are the other ingredients that your traditional Kumkumadi oil has. So we are going to mix all these things up, and we're gonna let them sit down for the night and kind of infuse with the oil. It's important to put these things in the oil when the oil is hot, because that's going to help with the infusion process. So one extra thing that I added, which is not in traditional Kumkumadi oil, is vitamin E oil, and I feel like this is really amazing because it's just going to help the oil get more properties and become better for you. So then I leave this to infuse overnight, And the next day, all you need to do is strain this out. And when you put it in a jar, you can get any jar like this. I'm just using an old oil jar, old serum jar actually. You just put in some saffron. So saffron is also known as saffron. And we're gonna put as many strands as you really want. I put in about 10 strands, and then I put the oil, but make sure that you sieve the oil because you don't want any thick particles in it. And that is ready to use. So I actually leave this for 1 week with the saffron before I use it, but you can definitely start using it straight away. It should become this like dark colored oil, and this oil is perfect to use at night. So I actually recommend using this last at night if you're going to use it at night, or if you want to use it during the day underneath your makeup, you can use it, or you can use it in the morning. But I actually recommend using this at night as your last product that you're using. And you guys are gonna love this oil. It's done wonders for my skin, and I've been getting so many compliments on my skin. So if you want to get clear glowing skin, definitely try the Kumkumadi Oil at Home recipe, and let me know in the comments section below how you like it. If you did try it, what was your experience? I'd love to know. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.